Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use UT-bot alerts in TradingView full guide. Set up your chart, add the UT bot indicator, choose alert conditions, and test them on lower timeframes to verify responsiveness. I will walk you through creating alerts from indicator crossings, configuring repeat and expiry options, and demonstrating common setups for entries and exits so you can automate monitoring without missing key signals. Start by opening TradingView and adding the UT bot to a chart you trade often, then adjust the ATR multiplier and period to fit your time frame and risk tolerance. I suggest testing a few parameter sets on historical data to see how signals behaved in different market conditions. Keep the display clear, hide unused lines, and label the indicator so your alerts are easy to identify during live sessions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which I use during long setup and market review sessions to stay focused. Check the description for the link and other deals. It helps the channel at no extra cost to you. And now let's get back to the video. To create reliable alerts, choose the UT bot plot as the alert source and pick crossing or value change as the trigger. Then add confirmation conditions like RSI divergence or moving average alignment. Configure alert frequency, expiration, and notification methods so you only get useful signals. Test alerts on replay mode and paper trade for several weeks to refine the rules and reduce false positives before committing real capital.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.